Hey guys, we are back for our second episode of WTF.
Yeah, if you didn't see the first one, you should definitely go watch that. But just to give you a quick sum up, we get given a mystery box which has been set up by Matt and Holly. We don't know what the fudge is inside, and we get some instructions and we just follow along.
So if you haven't seen the first one, before I give away a spoiler, go check it out now. Okay, so if you have watched the first one, you would know that Alex has got 1 point.
Yes, come on.
And I've got no points.
Just let us know down in the comments who's Team Alex, who's Team Kate.
Oh,
this is turning into a bit
word.
of like a Twilight, what's his name against the other fella?
Oh,
the guy with the pale skin and the muscly
Edward
fella.
and
Joshua.
Jacob.
Oh, that's on.
Okay, should we crack open?
Let's get into it.
Okay. Ooh, a blindfold this time.
We've got a blindfold and here are instructions. Hello, Kate and Alex. First of all, congratulations to Alex. How nice of them. Kate, sorry you weren't so lucky.
It's like such a game show, isn't it? I love
it's good, I love it.
This week's challenge is the WTF, what the fudge is in my mouth challenge. I wanted to do this for a while, actually. In the box in front of you, you'll find a blindfold and 5 food items each, obviously then in front of us. These will be placed into your mouth one at a time.
You will have 10 seconds only to guess what's in your mouth. A correct answer will give you 1 point. Failure to guess in time or an incorrect answer will result in no points scored.
If the scores are tied at the end, there'll be a tiebreaker food item. Please rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Good luck, guys.
The WTF team.
Oh yeah, I got it wrong. The WTF team.
1, 2, 3. First time. So I'm going to uncover these so everyone can see. I'm going to start over here with these. 10 seconds.
What the heck is that?
Starting now. Put it in your mouth. Go, you've only got 10 seconds. 9,
That's a date,
8.
and I hate dates.
Is it? I forgot what it was. It's not a date. It's not a date. You got 0 seconds. It wasn't a date.
Oh my word. It's a prune.
It's a prune.
A gigantic raisin.
A gigantic
That's
prune.
disgusting.
But the problem is, even though you don't like it, you knew it was something like a date.
I knew it was something like
I'm
it.
not sure I would have known the difference between a date and a prune. If
As
it was
soon
just
as that went in my
mouth.
mouth, I was like, that's a date, because that saggy texture of a date.
Saggy texture.
Okay, and here's what I've got.
Okay.
Ooh.
I don't think it makes much difference, but I was trying to think, what should I give you first? What's gonna...
I know, I'm thinking that too. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Well, that's a gravy tablet.
Oh my word, yes!
That is so concentrated.
And you're literally spraying everywhere. And you're...
Can you give me that cup?
Yeah. Are you being sick?
No. That is so strong.
I literally
That
was
is horrible.
was sick because you were just...
Because like it was stuck behind my teeth. Was
you
it
really
like crumbled?
went for it.
Well, I was thinking 10 seconds. I've got to get into this. I knew in the first half a second what it was. Oh my god, that's disgusting. You ready?
No, I'm really not.
Got something for you here that I think you're gonna love.
Well, I didn't like that last one.
Here is Kate's number 2 thing. It's going in 3, 2, 1.
I know. Fried seaweed.
Yeah, crispy seaweed. I love these things, they're so good.
I don't. Please have the spitty cup. As soon as you put it in my mouth, I was like, that is a seaweed. I couldn't actually smell it first.
Sweet soy and sea salt. I haven't had this flavour, these are great.
This is a spoon going in your mouth.
Okay.
So put your lips around it and watch
I
your
know
teeth.
how to use a spoon.
But I don't want to hurt your teeth. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
A chocolate mousse.
2, 1. No.
What the I don't know what it was delicious though.
It's a Malteser Spread.
That is so good.
So is it the inside?
It looks like a candle. You want
Well,
some?
we'll be able to keep that. I do, yeah. Thank you.
That is so good.
That's delicious. It's kind of like a Nutella, but it's by the brand of Maltesers. Although it doesn't say Nestle on there, does it?
And the crunchy
Mars.
Malteser bits in there are so
The
good.
crunchy Malteser bits are what you get in a Malteser bunny.
Number 3 for you.
Number 3 for me.
Here we go.
Oh dear.
I don't know what they expect me to do with this or how you're gonna take this. Oh, I think you're gonna have to try bite this.
Okay.
All right, coming towards you now. Be careful, it might be hard to bite. Ready? And go for it. Starting timer now.
I think I know what that is.
Then say it.
Is that cauliflower?
No.
Is it not? The stalk of a
No, it
cauliflower?
smells like it though.
Can I open?
You can open. It's a Brussels
It's a
sprout.
Brussel sprout! That tastes like the stalk of a cauliflower.
Yeah, uncooked. Sniff it.
That's
Uncooked,
cauliflower.
it smells like cauliflower.
Oh,
doesn't
really?
it?
Am I allowed to eat it raw?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Marmite.
Yes! Oh, ow! Are you okay? Here's
I'm
your
okay,
drink.
It's just so strong.
You didn't react straight away. Did it not taste like Marmite at first?
No, it did. I was just letting it sink in. Can I open my eyes now?
Yeah.
Like it's
I
strong
tried to
enough.
give you not too much.
Like it's strong enough when you have it just on toast.
Yeah.
But then to have it
I
just a spoonful of it.
I love Marmite and the burn at the back, whereas Alex really doesn't.
No wonder people don't like Vegemite when they try it off a
I
spoon.
know.
That's why in our Australian candy video,
Link up there.
we tried it on toast, and I actually really enjoyed it. A little bit of that sensation, but a mouthful of it is
That is
disgusting.
why people don't like Marmite as well, because they
Yeah.
try it off a spoon. Get it on some
Terrible.
toast. So you've got 2 points.
Yeah.
I've got 1 point.
Right, now it's time for me to get my spoon ready.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, dear.
Hope that doesn't give too much away.
It's a
but
spread of some
this is-
sort. It smells like ketchup too.
yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. In the mouth, in the mouth. Come in, come in.
What's the sauce?
No. Done.
Can I
Yeah, unveil.
Oh my word, my lips are stinking. What is that?
Reggae sauce.
Oh my word, you
It's-
two are mean.
It's jerk barbecue sauce. Is it hot as well, is it? Oh, it's 2 peppers.
Oh my word, that tastes like Worcester sauce though.
Does it?
Have like a little dab. My lips are stinging.
Are they?
Yeah, and my tongue.
When you
I don't
turn
think
to
I'll
me,
be
you're
able-
like... But it might be great. You might have like Kylie Jenner lips after that.
My lips actually feel like they're plumping. Ready? This is a bite.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Is that a pepper?
No.
What the f?
It's a open up. It's so cute. It's a mini courgette.
Oh,
How sweet is that?
That's
And
so
that's
cool.
probably why you then didn't think courgette, because a courgette's
Yeah,
much
that was
bigger,
it,
isn't
yeah.
it? Close though, Al.
yeah.
Close.
Close but no cigar. This final one is
My
actually
lips
going to be
really are.
pleasurable.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I don't know if you'll know what it is.
It's a strawberry mousse.
No. What the f? Well, it kind of
Oh
is,
my word,
but-
it's Angel Delight. I've not had Angel Delight
On a
in
bit more.
years. That was delicious. If it wasn't for the time constraint, I would have got that. Okay.
Right.
This is the same with you.
Okay.
Now I know what this is, but I don't know if you all know.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
It's a bite.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
It's a Kinder Bueno.
Technically, yeah. Can
Oh,
you
is it the-
elaborate?
Is it the little hippo thing? Is it the thing
Oh my
that's not there?
word! Yes, it is. It's a happy hippo.
It's a happy hippo!
I didn't think you'd know it. They had happy hippos.
Yeah.
Guess,
Do you know
right?
what this would be good?
What?
Dipped in with the Maltesers.
Oh my word, yes. That's so nice. Because my favourite Kinder Buenos are the white ones. So once again, Alex has won. Yippee.
Okay, so pleased.
You wouldn't think I was such a foodie, would you?
No.
Even though I didn't win, I really enjoyed that.
Yeah,
Did you
it was
enjoy
fun.
that?
It's amazing how much you kind of lose all your senses,
With
especially when
your-
there's like time and your eyes are covered. It's like,
Yeah. I'm a bit surprised I didn't get more than one. But to be fair, when do I ever have Reggae sauce? Really glad we did that. If you've got this far and you haven't watched our first episode, go check it out. And our next one will be coming out very soon. So we'll see you soon. Oh, that's a lot of soons. Bye, guys.
see ya.